Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting insights into the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. If you're curious about what Samsung has in store for its latest flagship phones, particularly focusing on their camera upgrades, battery capacities, and processor variations, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. In the world of smartphone photography, cameras play a pivotal role. The Galaxy S25 series brings some intriguing updates. While the S25 Ultra boasts a remarkable 200 MP primary sensor, its more affordable counterparts, the S25 and S25 Plus, feature a still impressive 50 MP primary camera. Additionally, all models are expected to retain the reliable 12 MP front-facing selfie camera, maintaining continuity with previous Galaxy S series. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 lineup is rumored to be powered by the Exynos 2500 chip in most global markets, ensuring robust performance. For users in the USA and China, Samsung is likely to deploy the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, catering to diverse regional preferences and optimizing performance across different markets. Battery life remains a critical consideration for smartphone users. Continuing the trend set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy S25 is expected to feature a 4000 mAh battery. Meanwhile, the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra are likely to retain their predecessors' capacities of 4900 mAh and 5000 mAh respectively, ensuring ample power for extended use. And that wraps up our overview of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 series. From camera upgrades to powerful processors and impressive battery capacities, Samsung continues to innovate in the realm of flagship smartphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.